Welcome to the month of January here at Lichtsinn RV, where we're located only 1 mile north of the Winnebago factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa. Happy New Year to each of you and to all of your families from all of us here at Lichtsinn RV, where during the month of January we have a lot of great events occurring, but be sure to join us on Wednesday, January 23rd for our live interactive presentation, where of course we'll take all of your questions live as we present for you the differences in how to select the right 4x4 recreational vehicle for your RV needs. Of course, we'll take all of your questions live as we walk through the Winnebago Touring Coach Era, the Winnebago Revel, both of which are available in 4x4, but also available in 2-wheel drive. We'll cover the differences in 4-wheel drive, and of course, we'll take all of your questions live on Wednesday, January 23rd.
Hi, I'm Deanna, sales consultant here at Lichtsinn RV. In case you missed our live webcast in November and December, we talked about the Winnebago Revel in November, and in December we talked about the Winnebago Travato Lithium version 59KL and 59GL. You can view these and any of our other live webcasts from the past on our website at lichtsinn.com in our video library. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to chat in or give us a call, and we look forward to hearing from you.
Hi, I'm Nicole Fulman, one of your sales consultants here at Lichtsinn RV. Right now we are in the Era. This is the actual 70A floor plan. We do have options available. You can either get the 4x4 version or the standard version. With the 70A floor plan, you'll have rear twin beds that'll make into a king bed, as well as that front bed that will make into a bed. The other option that we have available would be the Era 70M, which has been very popular. You have that slide out on the driver's side that'll go out, as well as a nice bath in the rear that'll be a dry bath. So we do have options available. Make sure you reach out to us. There's limited availability. You can reach us on our toll-free number 1-800-343-6255, or you can reach us on our website www.lichtsinn.com.
Hello, I'm Justin Overland, service consultant at Lichtsinn RV. I'm happy to announce we are now AM Solar installers. AM Solar provides energy management and independent power solutions for RVs. They have several options available to meet your off-grid needs. Victron's battery monitor links to your phone via their app, giving you real-time status of your 12-volt DC system. Their solar kits will cover any gas requirements, coupled with Victron's controller, which links to your phone via Bluetooth. The panels used are high-quality roof-mounted panels that will stand up to most any condition a RV roof will see. Our consultants will work closely with you and AM Solar to build the perfect system for your RV. Give us a call today to discuss the possibilities of becoming less dependent on generated or shore power.
Hi everyone, Jason here at Lichtsinn RV in Forest City, Iowa. Just wanted to take a moment to update you a little bit on the inventory status of the Winnebago Revel. As you know, in 2018 it was a very popular product, and we forecast that going into 2019 as well. So with that being said, we do have a good amount of inventory on hand, prepped and ready to go to take delivery. If you're looking at doing some cold weather camping, you can certainly do that, as this coach is set up basically for that purpose. And if you're looking at going here in the spring, which is right around the corner, we can also help you with that as well. So reach out to any of our sales consultants here at Lichtsinn RV, and we'd be happy to help you go out in your new Revel.